Today, at Ultimate Motors, we have a 2014 Audi A6 Prestige. Just a quick walk around on this. It is a Prestige, so it's the top of the line model. It has heated and ventilated front seats, Bluetooth audio, as well as hands-free calling. It's a driver assistance package, has lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, radar guided cruise control, 360 backup camera, heated rear seats as well, powered by a supercharged V6, making it over 300 horsepower, keyless entry as well as push button start, Bose premium sound, Audi big brake kit from the factory, and more. Look inside. The key fob is in your pocket. Push to lock. Pull to unlock. Rear child lock, all 4 automatic windows. Adjustability for your side mirrors, left and right. Heated mirrors, as well as folding. Above, you have 2-person driver memory. Down below, you have headlight controls and fog lights, odometer brightness. Cruise control stock, adjusting your steering, lights, paddle shifters, and wiper control. Button for your lane keep assist and blind spot monitoring. Start it up, see how it sounds. Does an aftermarket air intake. You can hear that supercharger whine. Buzz on the left right here. Control your center screen. Knob that go up and down. Click for more. Now you have the speed, trip information, 0 miles have been reset, average miles per gallon, since start, the date. We can hit right, tells you service is due. Go one more time, adjust your radio preset. If you have aux or Bluetooth or a CD in here, you can skip songs. Phone, right now it's not hooked up. And navigation. Volume up or down, push to mute, button to make hands-free commands, navigation information, and a programmable button. Moving on over to Audi's MMI. There's a button, lowers and raises the screen. Reset your trip odometer. Center screen is controlled by these buttons, the knob down here. Start with the car. Do your different drive selects. You have comfort, automatic, dynamic for sporty feel, individual. You can set individual as well. Engine transmission settings, steering, cornering, belt tensioner, and your adaptive cruise control. Going back. Your telephone. Right now it's not hooked up. There's Bluetooth hands-free calling. Information about Sirius XM and your car. Navigation. Right now that's not online, but it does have Google Earth for 3D maps and 3D navigation. Last address, POIs, online information, all that good stuff. We got a media, Get source up top. Now there's an SD card in here, it looks like. There's jukebox, audio CD, SD card, AM, FM radio, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. Go over your radio. Lastly, you have tone, just for bass, treble. It does have Bose Premium Surround, just a sound focus, pilot, and surround level. Top left, you have time. Top right, you have a setup and settings. Further below, you have automatic start or stop off, button to bring up your parking assist. As a backup camera, this was a 360 overhead camera. On the right side, right now you have the front view, you go to the back, both corners, front corners, and bigger top view. Last to the right, your charger control off, CD player for the Audi multimedia unit. Down below you have HVAC controls, just dual zone, temperature up and down, heated and cooled seats for both the driver and the passenger. Fan speed, directional settings, off, AC, etc. Electronic parking brake, haptic touchpad, you can draw to enter your address, radio presets, and more. Start and stop button, volume knob, and mic controls. 2 cup holders down here. Slide this up, storage down below. You have the top center console tray, bigger bottom one with a 12-volt outlet. As up top, it's an auto dimming rearview mirror, lights for the rear, sunroof controls, as well as 3-button garage home link. Let's check out the back seats. Climate control, heated seats, 2 12 volts down below. Let's open up the trunk. All weather mats. Storage on either side. The rear seats do fold down as well in a 60-40 split. Down below, your spare tire, jack, etc. Tethering points, all 4 corners. Pop open the hood. Powered by a supercharged V6. It's the aftermarket air intake. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at ultimatemotorsva.com or on Facebook at Ultimate Motors VA. Thank you.